Now, guys, I'll be showing the things that you guys wanted to. So, guys, started first. Yeah. Ouch. But anyways, Sabimis is actually the exam. Yeah, Sabimis is the actual exam. So, he said that my hair is the most famous part. Let's see. I'm the one who laughed the most. But yeah, that's the funniest part. Yeah, this is what I said. But to 841 to see the reason why he did it, and there's a funny sound made by exam. Oh, yeah, that's it.